Yes, people, me there again now. When I time take a look at where you go? Hear it in my voice, not true. I work shop today and definitely clean my camera. I know everything set. So this one out of the four. Definitely I have to do it fast. I know it. Grand finale. That lock. Need a little angle around it. Alright. I can close that one there. Alright. Wow. So just a big presentation, but you know I'm alone. Cameraman not there this time around, so basically see that. As we carry on, this is to the tiler, you know, but a carpentry may deal with still. Alright, highlighting what it is. So, I hear that sound. So now I must sit here open the door. I must sit here open the door. What went wrong? Just a bit of fine tuning. You know what I mean? I did it right. It worked. Alright, so now it's set up. Carpentry from a pin to another. My phone have night vision on it, you know, so I don't know anything set up. Work hard, so you see we have to have the good things. You know. And people me telling us say I told the work. These are the Pro series. Notice the skill saw, you don't have the safety on it. So you see, upon that time, sometime before the COVID, I heard that. Well, some place where I was working, you know, then once they leave a saw like this, like a DIY, a do it yourself, or then leave a saw around a little child and it cut off the whole of our little wrist. So you see, these ties are for children, tools are meant to be in development and works. So, as I say, stay safe. Alright. So, if I never this a piece of machine, I'm going to chop it so quick. Respect the craftsman. See how much RPM that? Man, remember, all the while, safety first. Alright. So, my finger there. The hammer mash it the other day and then 2 tools. One next time I tell them the story. So big up on yourself here. Blessings, one love, peace. Take care of yourself.